Understanding a storm is approaching, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard in weather forecasts, movies, or books. A storm is approaching. Understanding this phrase is not only about learning its literal meaning but also about grasping its metaphorical usage in everyday English. Let's explore this together. When we say, a storm is approaching, we are literally talking about weather conditions. This phrase is used to indicate that a storm, which can include heavy rain, thunder, lightning, or snow, is moving towards a specific area. It's a warning for people to prepare for bad weather. This might mean closing windows, securing outdoor objects, or even seeking shelter. Interestingly, this phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe a situation where trouble or difficulty is about to happen. For example, if someone says, "A storm is approaching," in a business meeting, they might be warning about upcoming challenges or obstacles the team will face. It captures the idea of preparing for a difficult or turbulent time ahead. To use "a storm is approaching" effectively, consider the context. If you're talking about the weather, it's straightforward. However, when using it metaphorically, make sure your audience understands the implication of impending difficulties. You can enhance clarity by adding details, such as, "A storm is approaching our project," to specify the nature of the challenge. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. Literal. The weather forecast says a storm is approaching. We should cancel our picnic. Figurative. With the recent changes in management, I feel like a storm is approaching our department. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "a storm is approaching," in both its literal and figurative contexts. Remember, English is full of such phrases that enrich our conversations and writings. Don't be afraid to use them, but always consider the context to ensure your message is clear. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.